Are you battling relentless knee pain that keeps you from living your life to the fullest? Do you yearn for relief that doesn't involve hefty medical bills or constant medication? The solution might be simpler than you think and lies right within your home. Home remedies aren't just old wives' tales. They're potent treatments packed with benefits to ease knee pain. Today, we'll unveil 15 of these solutions, plus an extra bonus tip you won't want to miss. So get comfortable, open your mind, and prepare to bid knee pain goodbye. 1. Weight management. The story of the scales. Did you know that every pound of excess weight puts approximately 4 pounds of extra pressure on your knees? Losing even a few pounds can dramatically ease knee pain. By maintaining a healthy weight, you can reduce stress on your joints, decrease inflammation, and even prevent arthritis. 2. Stretching. The tale of the flexible athlete. Ever noticed how athletes always stretch before and after exercise? Stretching keeps your muscles flexible, strong, and healthy, which is crucial for maintaining range of motion in your joints. Regular gentle stretching can help reduce knee pain, improve mobility, and even prevent future injury. 3. Heat and cold therapy. The parable of fire and ice. The ancient Greeks were onto something when they balanced hot baths with cold plunges. Heat therapy. Using warm compresses, heat pads, or warm baths can help relax your muscles and improve blood circulation. On the other hand, cold therapy. Using ice packs or frozen vegetables can help reduce inflammation and numb the pain. Alternating between both can provide relief from knee pain. 4. Over-the-counter pain relievers. The saga of quick relief. When knee pain flares up, over-the-counter medications like acetaminophen, ibuprofen, or naproxen can offer quick relief. While they shouldn't be a long-term solution, they can help you manage the pain effectively while you address the underlying cause. 5. Physiotherapy. The Chronicles of the Healing Touch. A skilled physiotherapist can work wonders for knee pain. They can tailor exercises to strengthen your muscles, improve your balance, and boost your flexibility, all crucial factors in reducing knee pain and preventing future incidents. 6. Topical creams. The narrative of the magic potion. Topical creams, gels, and patches can help ease knee pain. They often contain ingredients like capsaicin, salicylates, or counter-irritants, which work to soothe the pain directly at its source. 7. Gentle exercise. The adventure of the mighty tortoise. Remember the fable of the tortoise and the hare? Slow and steady wins the race, and the same applies to exercise. Gentle exercises like swimming, cycling, and walking can help strengthen your muscles, improve joint stability, and ultimately reduce knee pain. 8. Knee braces. The story of the armor. Much like armor protects a knight in battle, knee braces can provide support to your knee joint, reduce pain, and prevent injury. These devices distribute pressure from the knee joint, reducing pain and helping you move more easily. 9. Herbal supplements. The tale of nature's pharmacy. Certain herbal supplements, like turmeric, ginger, and willow bark, have anti-inflammatory properties that can help manage knee pain. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen, as these can interact with other medications. 10. Meditation and mindfulness. The journey of the peaceful mind. Eastern philosophers have long believed in the power of the mind. In recent years, science has begun to agree. Mindfulness and meditation can help manage pain by altering the way your brain perceives it. By practicing mindfulness, you may be able to reduce chronic knee pain and improve your overall well-being. 11. Elevation. The story of the rising knee. The simple act of elevating your knee can help reduce swelling and pain. When you raise your knee above the level of your heart, you aid gravity in reducing blood flow to the area, which can help decrease inflammation and provide relief from pain. 12. Acupuncture. The tale of the healing pins. Ancient Chinese healers discovered the art of acupuncture thousands of years ago, and it's still used today to manage pain. Acupuncture involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body, which is thought to stimulate the body's natural painkillers. 13. A healthy diet. The narrative of the healing foods. Just like a car needs quality fuel to run efficiently, your body needs healthy food to function well. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to heal, reduce inflammation, and maintain healthy joints. 14. Hydration. The Chronicles of the Elixir of Life. Water is essential for life, and it's just as important for joint health. Staying hydrated can help maintain an adequate blood volume, allowing nutrients to move through your blood and into your joints. It also allows waste products to move out of your joints, reducing inflammation and knee pain. 15. Massage. The tale of the soothing hands. A good massage can work wonders for your knee pain. It can help improve circulation, reduce tension, and increase flexibility in the area, all of which can help alleviate knee pain. You can perform self-massage techniques at home or get a professional massage. 16. Topical essential oils. The story of nature's aromas. Essential oils like lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus are not just pleasant to smell, they also possess pain-relieving properties. When mixed with a carrier oil and massaged into the skin over the painful area, these essential oils can help reduce knee pain. Potential drawbacks. While these home remedies can be effective, it's crucial to remember that they're not a replacement for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. Also, some remedies like herbal supplements and over-the-counter pain relievers can have side effects or interact with other medications, so they should be used under the supervision of a healthcare professional. And there we have it, 15 potential remedies to help you fight knee pain, right in the comfort of your own home, plus a bonus tip to further alleviate discomfort. Remember, knee pain might be common, but it's not something you have to live with. The power to improve your health is in your hands. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing which home remedies worked for you or any other tips you have for dealing with knee pain. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness advice. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and we're here to help you. Stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.